Hello everybody. I'm here today with Techno on the Go. I'm Brandon Dudas, and this is the second part of the first video where we installed an M.2 drive. And today I will be showing you how to set it up on the computer. So what we will do first is we're gonna go to disk management. Oops. Here. Create and format hard disk partitions. If you search in disk in your search bar, it should pop up. I'm doing this on Windows 11, by the way. So this should pop up and it will show you all of your hard drives. I currently have 3. A hard drive and another SSD. This one is a SATA SSD, so it's not as fast as the M.2 drive, which we have installed. And here we can see that it's unallocated, so that means it's not formatted, and if you go like to files, your computer would not recognize it. So what we'll need to do is create a new simple volume, and it'll bring up the wizard, and just leave all this the same. And you can assign whatever letter you want, as long as it's not C. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine M.2 SSD. There we go. And right there. And finish. And there we go. So now if we go to this PC, you'll see here it is. Here is the M.2 drive that was installed, and we can start putting stuff on it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm Brandon Dudas with Techno on the Go, and I hope this video is helpful. This video is much shorter than the other one because there's not that much you need to set up. And also I would like to mention at the very end that if you buy a pre-built PC, some of them come with a hard drive and an SSD, but they don't format the SSD usually, or the hard drive, depending. So even though it says like you have 3 terabytes of space, like how I had on my computer, only my SSD was formatted and the hard drive was not. So you're gonna go through the same process that I did just to format it and be able to access it. I'll probably mention this again in a later video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and it's a quick one, straight to the point. Thank you guys, and see you in another video. Bye!